Today I got a short video for you. I'm going to be installing a chain guide on my CRF110. This chain guide is made by BBR Motorsports and it'll go in place of that one. I think it'll have a cleaner look if I take all of this off and just have this on there to guide the chain. We will start by taking this plastic cover off and this plastic piece right here. This bolt, and this bolt are all 8mm bolts, and these two are 10mm. The plastic piece was attached to these two bolts and it just fell out, so that's off of there. So we'll switch to the 8mm. Just like that, the cover is off. So here's your chain guide. You're going to have to undo this bolt right here in order to slide it around the chain. So we will start with that. To take this off of here, both of these are 10mm bolts. So you just take this nut off. This will slide out of here, or pop out of there, and there's a spacer in the middle, which you want to leave there. We will take our chain guard, slide it over the chain, put the spacer back in the center, slide that one back through, put some Loctite on here. BBR actually sends you Loctite, but I already have this one open, so I'll just use this one. And I will secure this nut on the back of here. So you're going to want to take this red spacer, it's a 6mm spacer, which is what you use on the CRF110, and you are going to slide it into the back of the chain guide, and it has threads in it. So once you get that in there, for the CRF it takes these bolts, and then behind here you put a spacer. So let's see if I can wiggle this in here for you. I've already put some Loctite on the bolt, so I'll start this on here with the spacer. Try to line it up with the back of this. See if I can start threading it in there. So the first one is in there, and we will take our other bolt and our other spacer, do the same thing with the other. And once you screw those in and tighten them up, they have Loctite on them. So now we have that installed. Everything looks nice, well put together. See if you can see it back there. The chain guide is installed. It kind of gives it a, I guess, a cleaner look without all the plastic on there, and gives us a more updated look for the chain guide. I think the plastic part is just for like stuff flinging off the chain, which is going to happen no matter what. So I like the cleaner look it has now. If I wasn't trying to film and get like different camera angles for everybody, I could have had this on there in maybe, I don't know, 5-10 minutes at most. But hopefully this video helps you and shows you how simple it is.